Hello students and welcome to GIST classes. Here you can learn about different topics in brief. So today we are going to study about stakeholders in commercial organizations. Here are the topics which we are going to cover in this video. The concept of stakeholders, impact of stakeholders on a commercial organization, distinction between stakeholder and shareholders, distinction between stakeholder and customers, type of stakeholders, and stakeholders analysis. So the very first concept is the concept of stakeholders. The term stakeholder has derived from the word stake, which means an interest. Stakeholders means all those individuals, groups, and institutions which have a stake or interest in the functioning and performance of a commercial organization or a business enterprise. A stakeholder is that person who is directly or indirectly influenced by the decision and action of a commercial organization. In other words, a stakeholder is a party that has an interest in the company and can either affect or be affected by the business. Impact of stakeholders on a commercial organization. As we all know that everything has a positive and a negative impact. So here are the positive impact of stakeholders. Stakeholders provide necessary resources and support to business. A business enterprise gets finance, labor, raw material, machinery, etc. from its stakeholders. And the negative impact of stakeholders are stakeholders may block or interrupt the functioning of an enterprise when their expectations are disregarded. A commercial organization cannot survive and grow for long without taking care of the interests of its stakeholders. Distinction between stakeholders and shareholders. So, stakeholder is a much wider term than shareholders. Every shareholder is always a stakeholder of a company, but every stakeholder is not a shareholder. The basis of comparison are meaning the person who owns the share of a company is known as the shareholders, and the person who is interested or has a stake in a company is known as the stakeholders. Shareholders can be said as the owners of the company, whereas stakeholders are just the interested parties. Shareholder is a subset, whereas stakeholder is a superset. Shareholders includes equity shareholders and preference shareholders, whereas stakeholders include shareholders, creditors, debenture holders, employees, customers, suppliers, government, etc. Shareholders focus on the return on investment, whereas stakeholders focus on the performance of the company. Distinction between stakeholders and customers. Stakeholders are those individuals, groups who are affected by the outcome of a product or services, whereas customer is the one who purchases the goods and services. Basis of comparison. Supply of capital. Stakeholders supply financial capital or human capital to the organization. Customers do not provide or supply any capital. Buying goods and services. Stakeholders do not buy goods and services from the organization, whereas customers buy goods and services from the organization. Risk taking. Stakeholders take risk of the organization, whereas customers do not take any risk of the organization. Participation in management. Stakeholders like owners participate in the management of the organization, whereas customers do not participate in any management of the organization. Type of stakeholders. Stakeholders may broadly be classified into two categories, which are the internal and external stakeholders. Internal stakeholders. Stakeholders who are involved in the business from within the organization are known as stakeholders. Internal stakeholders. They consist of owners, shareholders, and employees of the organization, whereas external stakeholders are those who contribute to the business enterprise from outside the business are known as external stakeholders. They consist of traders, suppliers, dealers, competitors, government, etc. Here's a diagrammatical presentation of type of stakeholders. This diagram can help you clearly classify between internal and external stakeholders. Stakeholder analysis. Stakeholders analysis is the process of identifying the various stakeholders group who have an interest in the decision and activity of a commercial organization. The steps involved in stakeholder analysis are identifying the stakeholders, mapping stakeholders relationship, understanding stakeholder collision, assessing stakeholders interest, judging stakeholders power, and deciding priorities of the stakeholders. Here are some questions raised by this chapter. Define the term stakeholders. Distinction between stakeholder and shareholders. What do you understand by internal stakeholders? Give reason. What do you mean by external stakeholders? Give examples. What is stakeholder analysis? Thank you, and hope this chapter would help you.